These are probably two of my favorite things that you can use for cleaning, especially your bathtub or the bottom of the shower. You know, you get that grungy ring around the tub, or where feet have been on the bottom of the if it's a white shower especially, you can really see the grease and the grime. This is amazing, and it's a cleaning paste. You can see I've used it a lot, and I'll show you how it works. This is also the mitt that I love, and I love this one because on this side it's kind of got a scrubby side, and on this side it's more of like a buffing side. So I'll show you how well this works. So my daughter likes to soak in the tub, which is great, except that it gets very dull and there gets to be a ring around the tub, and this is where the paste is amazing. After I just wet the glove, I just grab some of the paste, put it on the glove, and then I just scrub. And it's so fast, and it just smells really, really good. And then I'll just go around the entire tub. And you can see it's already getting, look how shiny it's getting already. It just lifts it right off. The place I want to show you is the bottom here. We get like greasy footprints. I don't know if you can see them. I can see them. I'm not sure how well they're showing on the camera, but I'll show you how quickly it'll lift. Again, I just have the paste, and then I'll just start over here so you can see. And you can see it's already starting to get super shiny. And I've tried a few different things, but I just find this stuff works so well, particularly for these greasy feet.